Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, we will create a new page to see how to use Redux actions in React application. This is the first part of Redux actions. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. For this purpose, we will add new component Save Wildlife under Components. Create a class component and add some HTML and render method as shown in video. Now add a new root for new component in main component. Also, add navigation for Save Wildlife in header component. Copy the newsletter component HTML and paste it in Save Wildlife. Remove validators, errors, and checkbox control. Now update the header, form control, and button as shown in video. Copy constructor and handle submit as well from newsletter. Change text to text area to enter suggestion. Also, add a suggestion form component. Copy code from Save Wildlife and update for suggestion form. Remove handle submit and entire HTML from Save Wildlife, and return suggestion form from here. In shared folder, add suggestions.js file and some suggestions in it with ID, name, author, and message. Create a display suggestion component, copy the leader component and update accordingly. Make some updates as shown in the video as I am using existing component to create new one. Now, in Save Wildlife add both display suggestion followed by suggestion form. Now update route for save wildlife and pass suggestions to it. Also, let's add suggestions reducer in Redux folder in the same way as we have done before. Also, add the new reducer in configure new store to combine it with other reducers. Now, pass suggestions to display suggestions using the store and reducer. Add a state as suggestions and use it from there. Also in main component, add suggestions in map state to props. Now, if we refresh browser, we can see all suggestions with suggestion form in Save Wildlife page. So, we have created a new page to show how to use Redux actions in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.